In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to find theme on WordPress theme library, step by step. So let's get started. So now go to Appearance and select Themes from here. Here click on this top Add New button. So now you will get Upload Theme button and a list of themes to select. Here we have featured themes, popular themes, latest themes, etc. Select the ones you want to install. Here you get many options in each category. Let's install the one you like and after that activate it from here. Now you can see your full preview of the theme. Going back, activate your selected theme. Once done, here you can see your new theme is added and it is active right now. Now go to Demo and select Visit Site. Now you can see that your new theme has been installed on your site successfully. You can change its appearance from all these options. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.